Hey everyone, so whenever you feel like snacking, मेरी इस recipe को ज़रूर follow करो. So yeah, take some 2 to 3 onions and just dice them like this. And then I took 2 tomatoes over here and yeah, dice them in the same manner. And yeah, take some more veggies like I've took coriander over here, some lemon, and some capsicum. You can add as many veggies as you want. I've also taken some carrots over here, and yeah, also some beetroots. So here I'm using this knife, which was really convenient, and the link for this product I've already given in my previous video. So yeah, do check it out from there. And after chopping all the vegetables, I took a kadhai and some olive oil. Here I've added some mustard seeds. And yeah, once the mustard seeds have crackled, I've added some jeera. And once these two have crackled, then I've added all the veggies. First of all, I'm gonna add some onions until they are golden brown in color. And yeah, after adding the onions, just stir them. And yeah, once it's golden brown, can add all the veggies. And then yeah, here I've taken some potatoes. And yeah, once it's all done, you can add salt as per your taste buds. And you can also add some red chili powder if you want. I've added just a little bit. Then here I'm using Everest oregano. And you can add oregano. So after adding some oregano, the next step I'm gonna add some grated paneer. So here I've taken 250 grams of grated paneer, and yeah, then just stir it all together nicely until it's all combined. Then I'm adding some potatoes, some mashed potatoes, and with the help of a potato masher, you can just smash all the potatoes. And after this, now it's time to add some beetroot, which I've already grated. So I've added 100 grams of beetroot, and now the mixture is all red in color. And you just have to stir it nicely so that it's all properly combined. And yeah, in the next step, add some turmeric or haldi. It's optional. Then you can add some gouda cheese. Here I've added some Gouda cheese, which is goat cheese. You can add mozzarella, cheddar, or any other cheese. Just don't avoid adding processed cheese over here. Other than that, you can add any cheese of your choice. Now just have a look at this luscious mixture, which is all full of nutrients. Now in the next step, we are going to take some 2 loaves of bread, and just remove the sides of the bread and soak the bread in some water. Just be careful while doing it. Now with the help of a rolling pin, you just have to flatten it, and just remember, do not put a lot of pressure, otherwise your bread might also break. So now just have to take a scoop of this mixture and put it on the bread. And be careful, now you just have to fold the bread after placing this mixture in the center. You can make as many as you want, and it looks really delicious. And yeah, I'm sure you will like it. So yeah, once it's all done, now onto a baking or a parchment paper, grease some oil and place these pieces. And yeah, make as many as you want. Then in an air fryer, just have to place it at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes, and it's all done, crispy, delicious, good to go with your tea and coffee. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram for more such recipes. And yeah, that's all. Bye bye. Thank you.